Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making keto or low carb samouneh. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the keto or low carb samouneh. You will need 1 cup of almond flour, 4 tablespoons of psyllium husk, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 3 egg whites, 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of warm water, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt or sea salt, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and some sesame seeds. And this is how your samouneh should look like. Make a sandwich with your favorite filling and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!